person principal? I need to speak to the principal right now. Now or somebody's going to get hurt.
I will get the principal for you.
Attention all students and staff. At this time, we are initiating a lockdown. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Teachers, please secure your students in your classroom immediately. All students report directly to the nearest classroom and ignore any fire alarms. Any students in the cafeteria, follow the instructions of the staff members.
Hey, Nikki, we've got a lockdown at freshman campus. Call the police department. Make sure they're notified.
At 6 for them, I'll be responding to the freshman campus.
Ignore any fire alarms. Any students in the cafeteria, follow the instructions of the staff members. This is not a drill. Teachers, please secure your students in your classroom immediately. All students report directly to the nearest classroom and ignore any fire alarms.
I see you at the front door. Are you ready to have it unlocked?
I'm ready to come in.
Okay, I'm unlocking it now. Okay, it's unlocked.
Okay, I've got you coming in the doors. Go about 40 feet and to your right. And you go down that hallway, you're going to come into the common seat to the left of the field. You're coming in the common. You got to go to the left. Right behind that garbage can, about 50 feet up, and sit right there in the corner. Okay, got it? Okay, thank you.
Operations, Nikki.
Hi, Nikki. This is Melanie over at Mount Si. We have a suspicious package in the lobby area.
Have we fired the package incident?
Yes. At this point, we need to go to notification.
Understood, we're on it. And identification details?
It's a medium-sized black backpack. It arrived sometime between 7 a.m. and a half hour ago. That's all we know right now.
Got it.
Thanks a lot. We'll stand by.
Hello, this is Ryan.
Hey Ryan, it's Nikki. We have a suspicious package incident in progress at Mount Si. We're in the notification stage. It's a medium black backpack near the lobby that arrived between 7 and 9:30.
Okay, confirming medium black backpack that arrived between 7 and 9:30 this morning. Okay, I'll get right on that. Thanks.
Thanks.
Attention all students and staff. At this time, we are initiating a shelter in place. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
I know that guy. That's a teacher, Larry Smith.
Hello, this is Larry.
Hi, this is Ryan over at the district office. You know we're in a shelter-in-place situation due to a suspicious package.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, Larry, do you have a backpack?
Yeah,
Is it black and silver?
yeah. I know it was here.
It's in the lobby where you left it at 8:05 this morning, and it is the entire school in a shelter-in-place lockdown.
I was sure I had it right here.
Yeah, please meet the responding officer in the lobby.